Welcome to Section 3, Lesson 1. Let's get started with an overview of Section 3. In this section, we will be focusing on writing for the web. The lessons in this section will explain how to write for the different formats available to online readers such as websites, blogs, microblogs, and wikis. So let's get started with the first lesson. In this lesson, we will be focusing on how to write for websites. As a rule of thumb, you should be aware that online readers have short attention spans, and you, as a writer, have to grab and hold their attention. People tend to scan web pages in blocks of information. After all, they're here for answers and are only interested in relevant information. Don't expect them to read every word. That only happens when reading for leisure. Remember, just because you have unlimited amount of space does not mean you need to fill it all up. Readers will lose interest as soon as your writing becomes unfocused. So remain on point and stick to your message. The thing to understand is that most of our reading and writing takes place in an electronic medium, whether it's on our laptops or mobile devices. We spend most of our time reading digital text. Therefore, you, as a technical writer, need to be familiar with this new way of doing things. For example, if you're writing for a pre-existing website, you may need to seek out the webmaster or get guidelines on text size and the use of graphics. However, if you're building a website from scratch, you have much more freedom as you can choose the site's aesthetic style. Also be aware of the website structure. These are usually described in a sitemap, a web page with links to all other areas of the website. From here, you will come to know which one is the home page or where individual pages are contained. Once you have understood the structure of the website, it is time to focus on the structure of your web page. Typically, it will have an opening and a body. An opening can be thought of as an introduction where you identify the subject. Next, in the body, you'll go into more details and present the subject. Normally, web pages do not have a conclusion as it is an informal setting. Some good guidelines to follow is to have short sentences and paragraphs. Any links you provide should be suitably labeled. Again, have a balanced web page. Related information should be grouped together. Above all else, remain consistent. Do not use another color scheme, font, writing style, or on a different web page. All of your pages should have a similar look and feel. The key is consistency. Recall the saying, "A picture speaks 1,000 words." This just means images are a great way to convey complex information, as web pages are well suited to deliver this type of content. Do make use of them. Just be familiar with any technical requirements such as dimensions and file size that you will need to meet. So that's it. We have come to the end of this lesson. To summarize, we learned how to write for websites. See you in the next lesson.